Hi, my name is Alex Hernandez, and I'm the Director of Learning Resources here at the Hialeah Campus, with 3 great tips to help you use our librarians and resources so that you can succeed in your class. Tip number 1, before conducting your research for a research paper or a presentation, meet with a librarian. They're like a map for the library. They know all the resources, they've collected our resources, so they can help you find the information you need quickly and easily. Tip number 2, to avoid plagiarism, even unintentional plagiarism, have the librarian look at your paper before you hand it to your professor. That way they can make sure that all the citations are correct. They're experts in MLA and APA style, and they can help you succeed in your class. Tip number 3, and this is the bonus tip, combine a librarian and a tutor. So before handing in your paper, meet with a librarian to help you do the research. Then meet with a tutor to help craft the paper. And then meet with the librarian again to make sure all the citations are perfect. This will help you maximize your success. Thank you, and I hope to see you at the Learning Commons soon.
The Hialeah Campus Learning Commons is open Mondays through Thursdays from 7:30 a.m. till 9 p.m., on Fridays from 7:30 a.m. till 5 p.m., and on Saturdays from 8 a.m. till 1 p.m. At any of those times, we have librarians, tutors, and so many resources available for all students and faculty. Take some time to stop by, say hi, and see what Learning Resources has to offer you.